Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. I'm very excited about this project because it comes from when I was a teenager. When I was in middle school and high school, we carried around Peachy folders for every subject. Peachy is the name of a company, but what those were just thin folders that had sleeves on either side, and you would put your papers on either side of the sleeve. Don't do that, it's not good organization, but that's what we did. And they were boring, they just were solid colors and not interesting. And so we would take pictures and put pictures or stickers or whatever we had all over the front and back, and we laminated it with packing tape. So I thought, how cool would it be to continue that tradition with my students? And I've been doing it now for 18 years with my students. So you're just part of the legend that is the J, which is what I call the journal. So you're gonna need a folder like this. Sorry, not a folder. It's a spiral notebook. And it says right here, 70 pages. That's probably all you need, college rule. Now this is for your journal or your J, not for notes. Now you could do 70 page for your notes, but this one is going to be specifically for writing. You're not going to be covering the back side, you're only going to be covering the front side. Now these stickies represent pictures, drawings, stickers, anything that you want to put on here that's school appropriate on the front. You want to cover it really well, but you want to leave some space. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You're going to leave some space so that the tape has a chance to stick onto the actual cover. But you don't want to leave big gaps because then it looks silly. And you want it to look really nice, just like the examples I have on our slides for the assignment. So you're going to put pictures all over this. Now, how do you put the tape on? Well, keep this flat. Okay, keep this flat. Arrange your pictures how you want them. Then you're going to take your packing tape and you're going to stretch it out a little bit further than the actual end of your notebook. So I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to make it go maybe 2 inches past on this side and 2 inches past on this side. So I'm going to put one piece of tape and then another piece of tape with, of course, my pictures underneath it, and another. I might need 4 or 5 strips of tape to cover. And at the end, I'm gonna have these little long pieces of tape just hanging out there. And I'm gonna smooth this out and get rid of any creases and bubbles and make that nice. And I'm still gonna have my little tape pieces over here, okay? Then I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna fold my tape pieces in and fold my tape pieces in and flip it over and fold my tape pieces and fold my tape pieces. Now you want to use packing tape because it's nice and wide and it's super clear. If you use any other kind of tape, it might look cloudy or whatever. You can go ahead and look at the examples that I have on the slides for more information, but basically you're making a collage of something that's important to you, and you're going to put that collage onto the front of your 70-page college-ruled spiral notebook, and this is going to become your J. It's going to become your journal for this year in my class. So I'm super excited to see what you come up with, and I'm very excited for you to be in my class this year. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.